Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah. So today I'm here with the arbitrage engine bots that trade for you automatically. Yeah, all you have to do is what just execute trade and it will do everything from you. It will start from the initializing, preheating, arbitraging, and finalizing. Yeah, so to do everything for you. So no time to waste. Let's go through together and let me show you more. Yeah, but if you need this arbitrage bot, is going down for just $40 and I will set it up for you and show you how to use this engine in order to what to make money, yeah, for yourself. Yeah, so no time to waste. Let's go through together for you to see how it works. Yeah, so you can see that I've opened it here, and if you need it, I have my WhatsApp link in the description. And if you're watching from TikTok, you can join my free Telegram channel and chat me as well. And I also have my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can chat me and we'll talk about it. Yeah. So this is the bot, right? So right now I have 101.5 in my arbitrage wallet. That means that's the amount I can use to do my arbitrage. And I've already withdrawn 30 something dollars from the account. Yeah. So if you want to deposit, you come down here to deposit here. So you copy this BEP20 address, then you go to your wallet and you send the money in that BEP20. So let's say you sent 100 USDT, you come and write 100 USDT over here, then you copy the withdrawal transaction hash over here, then you click on submit deposit. Then within some few minutes you receive your money in your regular wallet. So if I come here, you can see that right now I've just deposit 900 USDT, right? Yeah. So if I want to trade, you can see that if I want to trade, I can trade above like 200 or 100. I can't trade above 100, right? Because you can see that it's sufficient, right? Because my arbitrage wallet is only 101. So before I can do that, I have to transfer this regular wallet to what? To the arbitrage. And one thing is that you can withdraw your money or your money anytime you want. So if I want to withdraw this regular wallet, I can come to here, regular to arbitrage, let's say 900. I can withdraw everything. You see that I can withdraw it anytime I want. Yeah, that's it. So let me transfer the money from the regular wallet to arbitrage wallet. So 900, yeah. So you can see that right now the regular wallet has been what? Has been transferred to the arbitrage wallet. So right now I'm trading with 1,001.5 USDT. That's what the amount I'm using it to trade. So if I come here, you can see that right now I have 1,000 plus to trade. Yeah. So this 1,000 plus, I'll be earning 1.5% per every trade. So 1,001.50, right? So then I'm about to trade, right? Then I will select all. So it will take all the exchanges. Then you can see that on a normal trade is what is 0.3, but I'm not trading on 0.3, I'm trading on 1.5. So at the moment I will click on execute arbitrage trade. It will trade for me on the 1.5. That means I'll be earning $15, right? Yeah, so watch everything. Yeah, so right now my expected profit is what 15.02 USDT. That is my expected profit is 15.02 USDT. So right now you can see that the arbitrage has been initiated the trade. So right now it's doing the initializing. So it will connect all the exchanges. It will connect the exchanges first before preheating. You see that thing? Yeah, to connect all the exchanges before preheating. Yeah. So you can see that right now it's connecting to exchanges, right? Yeah. It's connecting to the exchanges. So you just have to you can also like cut the screen and attend to anything that you're doing, and when you open it, it will be done. So that thing. So it's not compulsory to stay here all day. Yeah. And the trade doesn't take long. You see, 100% right now is 18 points, 19 point something percent. So right now it's done with initializing, so it's preheating. So you can see that it's preheating on all the exchanges. You see, it's doing the preheating on all the exchanges. And one thing I love is that no matter what we are expecting is what our profit. And our profit is what 15.0 USDT. 15.02 USDT. That's our expected what profit. I hope you understand. Yeah. So when you receive your profit, you can withdraw your profit anytime. You can withdraw your profit anytime that you want. You can withdraw it. You can withdraw your profit anytime that you want. Is that thing? Yeah. So right now it's doing the preheating. So after the preheating, then it will go straight to the arbitraging. You see, yeah, just simple as that. Yeah. So if you want to withdraw your money, we can say that you can only withdraw money from what? From your withdrawal wallet, right? Yeah. So if you want to withdraw money, you can go to regular to what withdrawal, and it's free. It's free. So you can withdraw your money. You can withdraw your profit anytime that you want. The only thing that's kind of charge is that after all your trades and you want to withdraw your arbitrage, like capital, that one, the bot will take a share. That's the only thing. After that, everything about the bot is free. Everything about the bot is what? Is free. Yeah. So it's doing the arbitration right now. Yeah. You can see that it's doing the arbitration right now. So you just have to what? Be patient. Just watch the screen. And this one, the reason why these days I've introducing both to people. And one thing is that people also fear that the boat maybe it comes with risk, it comes with let's say like renewal and stuff. You see, bro, that is why this one is just for education purpose. That's that thing. Yeah, I'm here to educate you on these things. Yeah, and what I'm using is is what I'm teaching. You see that thing? Yeah. So if you want it, you want it. Yeah, but there is no renewal on these books. We don't renew it. It's just free to use. You see that thing? Yeah. And I've already used the boat before I'm doing the video, or before I want to introduce it to people. I don't just introduce something to people without me using it. No, I don't do that. And you can see that I'm trading with what? 1,000 USDT. Is it that thing? We all want money, bro. Yeah. So right now I'm doing the arbitraging. Yeah. So let me wait. So let's do the arbitraging. Yeah, it's doing arbitration, bro. Yeah. So it's about to be completed. Yeah. Just simple like that. It's that thing. Just simple like that. Yeah. So now I'm done with the arbitration. So it's doing the finalizing. So it's confirming transaction and calculating profit. So it's doing everything, and it will give me my share for me to withdraw and chop. You see that thing? Yeah. So it's doing the finalizing and everything. Yeah. So you can see that right now I'm having zero, right? So when it's done, you can see 15.02. You see that thing? Yeah. So I have 15.02, and I can withdraw this money anytime I want. Can withdraw this money anytime I want. You see that thing? This money, can withdraw it anytime I want. Just simple like that. You see that thing? So I have my last trade to initiate. So if I click on select all and I execute trade, I'll be getting 15 again. You can see that. Oh, damn. I didn't even put it. I did it on. I use 100 to do it. Oh, instead of me entering the 1,001, I use 100. I use 100 to do it. Oh, damn. You see, so these are some of the basic things that you have to also know. You see, so anytime you want to initiate a trade, you see, you have 1,015, but you can choose that. Okay, I want to use 500 to do the trade. I want to use all to do the trade. So you input it, but the fix there is 100. So if you don't input it and you initiate the trade, it will trade on the 100, because that's what I was trading before I added the 900 to it to become 1,000. So the system haven't picked the 1,000, so that's why when I click on the execute trade, it trade on the 100 for me. Oh, damn. So oh, damn. 14 is gone, bro. So, have you seen some of the mistakes? Yeah. Always input the amounts you want to trade. Yeah. Because at first I was trading on $100 accounts, right? Before this $1,000 account. So I needed to input it my own, like not the bots doing it for me. Yeah, so you can see that trade amount I'm using is 100 instead of 10. Yeah, because I didn't input the 1,100. Yeah. It's a loss to me, bro. I'm paying. But so these are the things that you need to know about the boats. Yeah. And that's why I was saying that after you purchase the boat, I will personally call you and teach you more about the boat. You see that thing? Have you seen some of the mistakes? Maybe you have $1,000 and you will not say, okay, let me execute trade. Then you'll be trading on, let's say, you'll be using just 10% or just 50% to trade. You see, yeah. So I'll show you how to use all your arbitrage amount to trade and stuff. I will teach you everything. That is why this one is just another lesson. You see that thing to know. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and if you want the boat, just hit me up and let's talk business.